Maybe I can resurrect this teepee. These have got to be from the gold rush days or pioneer days. I have to find a spot that has water. Probably not perfectly legal. Hi, I'm Greg Ovens, and this is Ovens Rocky Mountain Bushcraft. There we go. Oh. Greg Ovens, and this is Ovens Rocky Mountain Bushcraft. This video will have several parts to it. What I'm trying to do is I have a couple of locations in mind to try to have my chicken coop and my outdoor garden. I'm going to try to build this garden and a bear-proof chicken coop. Desperate times call for desperate measures. I'm going to go look at the first location and see if it's any good. Otherwise, I got to start and check my other spots out. And like I say, stay tuned. It'll be an ongoing series. I gotta go check this puddle out. Amazing this time of year. It's middle of April, but this is the Rocky Mountains, don't forget that. Get out on these side roads and stuff, and you never know. There's still quite a bit of snow in some areas, you know. But that puddle looks a little scary to me. I don't want to get stuck. I'm by myself out here, so I gotta get a winch. That's what I gotta do. Whoa! The ice is not that thick either. No. Soaker. We're not getting through there. We'll sink out of sight in that. Ice doesn't look very safe now. So, this is day 2 of looking for a spot for the chicken coop. I have to find a spot that has water. Yesterday I couldn't get through that puddle. I'm in same general location, but on a different bush road area. We have to find water for the garden and for the chickens. So I was hiking the trail here, and obviously years ago somebody had a similar idea. You remember I was saying I want to build a teepee for the winter. Well, and here, look at that. It's kind of decrepit, but here's a frame that I could use. And somebody went into a lot of work to build the frame of this teepee. They just used, looks like house wrap. Maybe I can resurrect this teepee come fall, but I still have to find a spot for my garden. But it's interesting. People have attempted to do the same kind of thing that I'm trying to do too. Old cabin here. There's another one in the background over there. These have got to be from the gold rush days or pioneer days. I mean, they've been here a long time. They're all falling apart now though. Still been looking for a spot for the garden and the chicken coop. Water's the issue. But also, I realize now, I know people that have big acreages in the area. I might be better off to do it that way. Seems like every spot I find, somebody could run across it. And it's probably not perfectly legal, even though it's desperate times, as I mentioned in the beginning. I mean, if this was a Armageddon situation, it wouldn't bother me. Not that any vegetable garden should bother anybody. But the chickens, the ministry would probably have a problem with that. So I'm going to go and talk to a couple of people, see if they'll let me use their acreages.
Pure dirt.
It'll still be the same concept as far as making it bear proof, coyote proof, and this and that. But anyways, I'm going to show you this little spring that just bubbling right out of the side of the bank here near the base of a big tree. Now that's good clean water, you know that. Okay, so I think we found a spot here. Friend of mine, Lloyd Weller here.
Hi guys.
And he has 120 acres here. We're still quite a ways out from town.
22 kilometers.
22 kilometers.
Yeah.
That's good. There used to be gardens here before. This is the same concept that I had out in the bush, but here, private land, we're not going to get in trouble.
Yeah.
I'll show you the creek for a minute. Next week, we're going to start building this. So we have our water. He says I can basically do what I want with the chickens here. I think this is a good spot. It's close to the creek. Shouldn't be too hard to tap into the water supply for the chickens and for watering the garden in the summer. So I'm happy about that. That's probably it for part one. Found the location. Right on, man. Yeah, hi. Yeah, I want to order some chicks. No, chickens. Like chickens. Yeah, I was thinking I want to get 50 giant Cornish. Yeah. Do I want sex? Oh, sexed. Well, what sexes do they come in? Okay, I gotcha. So I can get hens, all roosters, or mixed. Okay. All right, well, we'll get mixed. Yeah. Yeah, this is the number you can get a hold of me. Hello? Hello? Oh, well. Okay, so we got our chickens ordered. They'll phone and let us know when they're ready to pick up. And then now we're going to get on that chicken coop and that garden. This is going to be an epic off-grid ongoing series throughout the summer, how the predators might try to get in. I think the biggest problem is going to be weasels that can get in anywhere, it seems. I think I can keep the bears, the coyotes, wolves, eagles, all of those predators I can keep out of the pen and the coop. But will the weasels be a problem? We'll see. But anyways, on with part 2, building the coop.